Hello, third grade. So today we will be reading chapter 6. But before we do that, there are some new vocabulary words that I want to introduce you to before we get started. So the first word is astronomers. So astronomers are scientists who study the stars in outer space. So that word is astronomers, and we will be seeing that throughout this chapter. The next word I would like to introduce you to is the word cluster. And cluster just means when they're specifically talking about the stars, that all the stars are grouped together in a cluster. The next one you guys are probably familiar with, and that is the Milky Way galaxy. And that is the galaxy that contains Earth and the solar system which it lies. And that is the Milky Way galaxy. Another word is billions. And I wanted to give you guys a visual representation of 1 billion. So 1 billion is 100,000 million, or written out like this, 1 billion. And that is all of the vocabularies for chapter 6, so let's get started. This is chapter 6, Galaxies and Stars. Look up at the night sky. What do you see besides the moon? If it's not cloudy, you may be able to see lots of stars glittering in the sky. Remember that the sun is also a star. The stars in the night sky do not look like the sun. They do not look as big or as bright, but they are, in fact, very much alike. The stars in the night sky are big balls of hot gas, just like the sun. So why don't they look the same? The night stars are much, much farther away from Earth than the sun. That is why they look like tiny specks of light. If we could get close to the stars, they would look bigger, brighter, and more like the sun. But the stars we see at night are so far away that no one from Earth has ever been able to get close to them. Stars in the night sky. Scientists who study the stars and outer space are called astronomers. The Greek root word astron means star. The prefix astro used in many other English words. All stars are big balls of hot gas, but astronomers have discovered that stars differ in many ways. Stars can be different sizes and colors. Some stars are closer to Earth than others, and some stars are hotter than others. Stars that are the hottest and the closest to Earth appear brighter than other stars. So why do some stars appear brighter than others when we look at them? So as you can see, there are some stars in this picture that are a little bit brighter. So that means that they are closer to Earth. All stars are made of gases, but they can differ in size, color, and brightness. Astronomers also discovered that stars cluster together in large groups. A large group of stars that cluster together in one area is called a galaxy. There are billions and billions of stars in one galaxy. That's a lot of stars. The galaxy to which our sun and solar system belong is called the Milky Way galaxy. It has a spiral shape when viewed from space. From Earth, it looks like a milky band of white light. So, why do we call our galaxy the Milky Way? So this is the Milky Way as it appears in the night sky. So it's got that little white, milky color that gives us the name, the Milky Way. The nearest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way galaxy is called the Andromeda Galaxy. It is billions and billions of miles from the Milky Way galaxy. You have probably heard of 1,000,000 before. 1,000,000 is a huge number. So what is a billion? It's 1,000 million. It is safe to say that the Andromeda Galaxy is a long, long, long way away. Even so, it is sometimes possible to see the Andromeda Galaxy at night. Scientists think there are billions of galaxies in the universe. There's that number, billions, again. There are billions of stars in each galaxy and billions of galaxies in the universe. That's almost more than you can think about. So this is the Andromeda Galaxy. And as you can see, it's that spiral shape, just like our Milky Way galaxy. And that is all for chapter 6.